Welcome to the PICkit channel.
I designed and built a ZIF Socket board to make programming PIC microcontrollers much easier with PICKit3 and PICkit 3.5. With this board, you can easily program your microcontrollers and get rid of all that messy, extra wiring. You can program the appropriate microcontroller simply by changing the jumpers on the board. To download the project files, check out the description below. If you enjoyed this project, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to PICkit for more DIY electronics tutorials. Hit the bell icon so you never miss a new video. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next project.